Hello friends, welcome to AgriLearner App Team YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the agriculture important MCQ part 2. It is very important for IBPS AFO, NABARD, RRB SO, ICAR, BHU and all other agriculture examination. This is part 2 and all questions that we have added in this series is very important for your examination. Just listen it carefully. Now let's start it. As always, first important question is for you. Comment this answer. Question is, which of the following is host plant for lag culture? Options is kusum, falas, bear, babool or all of the above. Comment your answer. Now come to the next question and from next question we will give the answer of all these questions. First question is wavelength of photosynthetically active radiation range between. Options are 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer, 280 nanometer to 610 nanometer. C option is 400 nanometer to 510 nanometer. D option is 280 nanometer to 710 nanometer or E option 510 nanometer to 700 nanometer. The correct answer will be the A. 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer is the wavelength of photosynthetically active radiation. Okay, now come to the next question. This question is very much important and very much interesting because this question is asked in many competitive examinations. The question is crops which grow in latitude between 20° north and 20° south are. Options given are temperate crop, tropical crop, subtropical crop, exotic crop and restorative crop. The correct answer will be the tropical crop. Why? In the tropical crop, rice, sugarcane, mango and pineapple can be grown. In temperate crops example are the wheat, oats and rye, and subtropical crop examples are citrus, date, fig and pomegranate. Okay, now come to the next important question. Another important question is which of the following is the science dealing with genesis, survey and classification of the soil. Okay, now understand this is asking about the science that deals with the genesis, survey and classification of the soil. Now understand the options. First option is soil microbiology, second option is soil fertility, third option is soil conservation, fourth option is soil pedology and fifth option is soil edaptology. Okay, now the correct answer will be the soil pedology. Why I am saying this? Because this is the science that is dealing with genesis, survey and classification. Okay, now come to the another important question. Another important question is puddling is also known as dry tillage, blind tillage, wet tillage, clean tillage or none of the above. We all know puddling is known as wet tillage. Okay, now come to the next important question. Another important question is the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, that is ICAR, set up an all India soil survey committee in 1953. Okay, now this question can be also asked when the Indian soil survey committee was established. It was established in 1953, which divided the Indian soil into the options given are 4 major group, 6 major group, 8 major group, 12 major group or 15 major group. The correct answer all we know, that is 8 major group. Indian Council of Agriculture Research have divided Indian soil into 8 major group. Now come to the another important question. Another important question is jerking is an agronomic practice followed in tobacco, bajra, banana, tomato or none of the above. Okay, so it is not followed in tobacco, it is not followed in banana, it is not followed in tomato. The answer will be the bajra. In bajra the process agronomical practice jerking is followed. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is which of the following is the correct order of the erosion caused by this water in progressive manner. Now understand this very carefully. Read the question before giving the answer. They are asking about the erosion caused by the water in the progressive manner. Options are first option is splash erosion, sheet erosion, rill erosion and gully erosion. Second option is gully erosion, rill erosion, sheet erosion and splash erosion. Third option is sheet erosion, rill erosion, splash erosion or gully erosion. Fourth option is splash erosion, rill erosion, sheet erosion or gully erosion, and fifth option is none of the above. So in this very much clear that first option is the correct answer because the degree of the soil erosion increase as erosion move from splash to gully. The correct sequence of the event in the splash erosion, sheet, rill erosion and then gully erosion. Okay, keep in the mind. Now come to the next important question. Another question is ideal pH for good compost should be. Okay, this question is important because this question is asked in previously NABARD and IBPS AFO also. Now read the options. First one is 3.5 to 4.0, second one is 4.6 to 4.8, third option is 6.4 to 6.6, fourth option is 7.2 to 7.8, and fifth option is 8.0 to 8.5. Okay, so the correct answer will be the D. 7.2 to 7.8 is the correct answer for this question. Ideal pH for the good compost is 7.2 to 7.8. Okay, now come to the next question. Another important question is very much important. Now understand the question. Which of the following is used as trap crop in the cotton? Options are okra, custard, marigold, mung bean, or fifth option is all of the above. Now understand it very carefully. They have given this option only to confuse you. Marigold, okra and custard, these three are directly used in the cotton for the trap crop. Okay, mung bean is also used for direct trap crop for the cotton. So answer will be the all of the above. Another important question is precipitation, temperature, humidity, solar radiation and wind velocity are. Number A option is climatic factor, number 2 option is adaptive factor, number 3 option is biotic factor, D option is A and B both, E option is A, B and C all. Okay, the correct answer, don't confuse with A and B both and A, B, C all, because they are asking about the precipitation, temperature, humidity, solar radiation and wind velocity. So this is correctly is the climatic factor. Okay, now come to the next question. Now listen this question very carefully. The question is temperature range requirement for the maximum growth of agriculture plant. Here they are not asking about any specific plant, they are asking about agriculture plant, all of the agriculture plant. Options are 8 to 32 degrees Celsius, 10 to 35 degrees Celsius, 15 to 35 degrees Celsius, 15 to 40 degrees Celsius, or fifth option is 15 to 45 degrees Celsius. What will be the correct answer? The correct answer will be the 15 to 40 degrees Celsius, means D option is correct. Why D is correct? Because the temperature of the place is largely determined by the distance of the equator and altitude. The range of the temperature for maximum growth of the agriculture plant is between always 15 to 40 degrees Celsius. Above the 40 degrees Celsius, the growth of the plant will be stunted. Okay, now come to the next important question. Another important question is which of the following is matched correctly regarding the holding type and the size of the land? Options are marginal, 1 hectare land or less. Second option is small, 1 to 2 hectare. Third option is medium, 4 to 10 hectare. Fourth option is large, above 10 hectare, and fifth option is all of the above. The correct answer will be the all of the above, because they are asking about which of the following is matched correctly. All of them are matched correctly. Large farm holder have above 10 hectare, medium farmers have 4 to 10 hectare, small farmers have 1 to 2 hectare, and marginal farmers have 1 hectare or less than that. Okay, now come to the next question. Another important question is rice, tobacco and cotton are the example of short day plant, long day plant, day neutral plant, C4 plant or CAM plant. The correct answer will be the short day plant. Okay, now come to the next important question. This question is very much important. The question is the wind speed of dash kilometer per hour is suitable for most crop. Okay, they are asking about the wind speed of dash kilometer per hour is suitable for most of the crop. Wind speed of 1 to 2 kilometer is suitable? No. Wind speed of 2 to 4 km per hour is suitable? No. Wind speed of 4 to 6 km per hour is suitable for the crop growth? Yes, it is suitable for the crop growth. Why? Because movement of the wind supplies moisture, heat and fresh CO2 for photosynthesis. Wind flow speed of 4 to 6 km per hour is suitable for most of the crop. High wind speed cause the enormous damage to the crop. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is the government of India appoints which of the following as central nodal agency to undertake MSP in cotton. Here they are asking about the central nodal agency. They are taking MSP of the cotton. Okay, the options are FCI, CCI, CDB, APEDA or none of the above. The correct answer will be the second option, CCI. The Government of India appoints CCI as Central Nodal Agency, and CCI is a mandate to undertake MSP in cotton. Now come to the next question. Another important question is process of pasteurization in pig is known as belting, lambing, furrowing, kidding or hatching. Now understand one by one. Belting is the process of producing sound in the sheep. Lambing is the pasteurization in the sheep, and furrowing is the pasteurization in pig. Kidding is the pasteurization in goat, and hatching is the pasteurization in poultry and duck. So correct answer will be the C. Furrowing is the correct answer. Now come to the next option. Another important question is the process of decomposition, oxidation of the chemical compound of organic matter by which nutrients are released in the soluble organic form are available to the plant. Now listen the question very carefully. The question is the process of decomposition, oxidation of the chemical compound of organic matter by which nutrients are released in soluble organic form are available to the plant. Options are mineralization, demineralization, immobilization, saturation or none of the above. The correct answer will be the mineralization, because it is the decomposition, that is oxidation of the chemical compound in the organic matter by which the nutrient in those compounds are released in the soluble inorganic form that may be available to the plants. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is availability of soil nutrient is affected at low high pH. Soil with low pH are injurious to the plant health due to the toxicity of option A is Fe and Ai, option B is Np and K, option C is C and Mg, D is BOCU and Zn, and option E is none of the above. The correct answer will be the first one, Fe and Ai. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is based on the following feature, identify the type of the power. Okay, they are saying to identifying the type of the power. What are the following feature? Cheap form of the power, high efficiency, pollution free, maintenance and low operation cost, not affected by the weather condition. These are the feature. Okay, now come to the option. First one is human power, second one is animal power, third one is mechanical power, fourth one is electrical power, and fifth one is all of the above. They are asking about high efficiency. Human power is not high efficiency. Animal power is high efficiency, but it is not cheap form of the power. Mechanical power is also not cheap of the power because it need lot of the maintenance. And fourth option is electrical power. Yes, it is the correct answer. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is the sowing of the wheat crop normally begin in dash in state Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and West Bengal. The options are September to October, October to November, November to December, December to January or March to April. The correct answer will be the September to October. Okay, now come to the next important question. Another important question is, as per the data released by the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution regarding a stabilization of the price of the pulse in India, import of which of the following pulse has been moved from restricted to free category with effect of May 15, 2021. Okay, this is the question of agriculture current affairs, so it is important, and the options are Masoor, Urad, Moong, B and C or A and B. The correct answer will be the B and C, because Urad and Moong is set to restricted to free category from March 15, 2021. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is, in which of the following year the first agriculture census was launched? Option is 1958 to 59, 1962 to 63, 1967 to 68, 1970 to 71 or 1974 to 75. The correct answer will be the D, 1970 to 1971. Now come to the next important question. Now understand this question, very important. Okay, napping is a special cultivation practice in chickpea in which plucking the apical bud of the crop is done after dash day of sowing. Okay, they are asking about the agronomical practice that is done in the chickpea. That process is known as nipping. Okay, the options are 20 to 25 days, 30 to 40 days, 40 to 50 days, 50 to 60 days, or and 80 to 90 days. The correct answer will be the 30 to 40 days. Now understand what is napping. Napping is the special cultivation practice of plucking the apical bud of the crop at about 30 to 40 days after sowing. Napping stops the apical growth, promotes the lateral branches, thus the plant become more vigorous and produce more flower and pods, and yield per acre is increased. Now understand, this is very important question. Once go through all the plants and their special cultivation practices. Okay, now come to the next important question. Another important question is botanical name of Emar wheat. Okay, this is very much easy question. Everyone knows all different kind of wheats and their botanical name. Okay, so the correct answer will be the C. We will not waste too much time. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is botanically acornut fruit is a drupe, stone, berry, capsule, or aggregate fruit. Everyone knows that acornut is a berry. Okay, now come to the next important question. Another important question is nutrition is the major challenge which hamper the progress of our nation. Good health is the focus of newly launched mission dash which aim to India make Kuposhan Mukt. Options are TV Mukt Bharat, Poshan 2.0, C option is National Digital Health Mission, D option is Special Nutrition Program, E option is Care Assist Nutrition Program. The correct answer will be the Poshan 2.0. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is what is the average force that a bullock can expect? Okay, now the options are 1:10 of the body weight, 1:8 of their body weight, 1:30 of their body weight, 1:40 of their body weight, or none of the above. The correct answer will be the 1:10 of the body weight. Okay, now come to the next important question. The last important question is type of the farming which people migrate along with their animals from one place to another in the search of fodder for their animals is called shifting cultivation, extensive farming, intensive farming, nomadic farming, or none of the else. The correct answer will be the nomadic farming. Everyone knows the nomadic farming. In this type of the farming, people is migrating along with the animals from one place to another in the search of fodder for their animals. Generally, they rear the cattle, sheep, goat, camel, or yaks for milk, skin, meat, and wool. This is the last question. If you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe it, and next part will be published soon. You will get this PPT and PDF from our Telegram group, WhatsApp group. All links are given in the description. Thank you so much for connecting us.